इंडिया फेस्टिवल 2026 ने कनाडा में इंडियन कम्युनिटी के बीच एक बार फिर जबरदस्त माहौल बना दिया है। 13 जून को ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया के सरी शहर के हॉलैंड पार्क में शुरू हुए इस मेगा फेस्टिवल ने पहले ही दिन हजारों लोगों को अपनी तरफ खींच लिया। नॉर्थ अमेरिका के सबसे बड़े इंडियन कल्चरल फेस्टिवल में गिने जाने वाले इस इवेंट में 150 से ज्यादा वेंडर्स और 600 से ज्यादा आर्टिस्ट ने हिस्सा लिया। इंडियन स्ट्रीट फूड से लेकर ट्रेडिशनल स्वीट्स तक हर तरह के फ्लेवर यहां देखने को मिले। साथ ही लाइव म्यूजिक, कल्चरल परफॉर्मेंसेस, बॉलीवुड डांस शोज और ओपन एयर डीजे पार्टी ने फेस्टिवल की एक्साइटमेंट कई गुना बढ़ा दी। लेकिन इस बार सिर्फ फूड और एंटरटेनमेंट ही चर्चा में नहीं रहे दोस्तों। फेस्टिवल में एक और चीज ने लोगों का ध्यान अपनी तरफ खींचा, बॉलीवुड की अपकमिंग फिल्म कॉकटेल 2 को लेकर। जी हां, टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया फेस्टिवल के कई हिस्सों में कॉकटेल 2 के म्यूजिक का बज़ भी काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग देखने को मिला। आपको याद दिला दूं,
I know you all had been waiting for one of the biggest food festivals of Canada. जी हाँ, मैं गल कर रही हूँ टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया दी, जो कि पहुंच चुके हैं सरी दे हॉलैंड पार्क विच ते बहुत सारी धूम ते एंटरटेनमेंट भी नाल लेके आया है। And let me tell you something, food is not the only best part. We have people coming in from different communities and cultural backgrounds. तो सारे ऐसे इकट्ठे होके बहुत सारा फन कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे अच्छे फूड आइटम्स ट्राई कर रहे हैं। एंड ये फेस्टिवल को और भी स्पेशल बनाने के लिए और एंटरटेनमेंट का तड़का लगाने के लिए हम पहुंच चुके हैं कॉकटेल 2 की प्रमोशंस के लिए। ये मूवी जल्दी ही आपके नजदीकी सिनेमा घरों में पहुंच रही है। इस मूवी में हमें बहुत सारा फन, थ्रिलर एंड बहुत ही अमेजिंग स्टोरी देखने को मिलेगी। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया हैज फॉर अस टू अनफोल्ड।
Passionate dancers because Shahid Kapoor जैसा कि What if I told you कि डांस के साथ साथ आप लोगों को प्राइज भी मिलेगा? Then would you guys come? भागते दौड़ते गीत आ जाएंगे। कहाँ है जोश? All right, I need six dancers. All right, can we have our first song?
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up, make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against you. Negative when you should be getting after it. got facts over tracks. This and that, spinning slow, spinning fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious. You think you're worth my time? You're delirious.
Okay.
Don't do
Hi, congratulations on winning the prize.
Wow, I'm so excited and thank you so much for congratulating me. Thank you.
So how do you feel about the movie? Are you excited?
Oh my god. I'm pretty excited for the Cocktail 2 because I still remember when I saw Cocktail 1, I was waiting for the part 2 and this is the high time to check out with my friends about Cocktail 2. And love Shahid Kapoor as everybody told. So I'm very excited.
So are you gonna watch it on 19th of June?
Yes, I'm gonna watch it with my friends and really gonna be fun.
Thank you. So spicy or medium hot?
Spicy for sure. Spicy.
Welcome to our channel and thank you so much for bringing an amazing event like Taste of India. Welcome to Surrey. So how do you feel to be a part of this event and especially first time doing it in Surrey?
Honestly, the event, I've seen it take place in Toronto so many times, and to be a part of the team and the backstage coordination, how the whole event takes place, is honestly a pleasure to me and my whole family to be here. Being in Surrey, the crowd is honestly so live, more live than we honestly expected, and to see our culture and heritage take place in multiple places like this all over the world soon enough, it's like such a pleasure to all of us as a family.
That is indeed true. And how do you think that this food festival is different from the other food festivals?
Well, honestly, the other food festivals, they're a little basic. You know, you have like typical foods, typical dances. With India and all of India's culture, you have so much diversity. You have different dances, different performances, different makeup styles, different like costumes. Every performance you see is unique from one another. And also all the stalls you go to will be unique from one another.
That's absolutely true, and I can smell the food everywhere I go. What is your favorite Indian dish?
Honestly, my favorite Indian dish would probably be like paneer tikka masala and naan, I'd say for sure. Or anything spicy, to be honest. I'm a really big spicy person, and India has a bunch of that.
What is your favorite dish?
Idli sambar.
Idli sambar? Are you really into South Indian food?
Yeah.
Any special message for the audience?
Honestly, come check Taste of India out. It's the best festival out there. You'll have a blast.
And what do you have to say to our viewers?
I really like the dance performances, so I think this is an amazing festival.
Absolutely amazing talking to you guys. Thank you so much. And please do not forget to bring the event next year as well.
Of course. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
से कच्चे बनेरों से जूलियट की छतरी पे आया रोमियो ने मस्ती में पीछे की बस्ती में कल जो कबूतर उड़ाया उनके बनेरों से कच्चे बनेरों से जूलियट की छतरी पे आया
Hi. That was such a powerful performance. You guys were amazing.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
So how do you feel to be a part of this event?
It's amazing, honestly, to be here with all the Indian people coming out, supporting artists, and also such amazing food, by the way. So it's definitely a great experience. Yeah.
And how did you prepare for the performance? Was it difficult? Were you nervous?
Yes, definitely nervous. But I'm so thankful that my team is like the best. I have the best team, the best person who founded this team. So yeah, with the help of everybody, I think I felt more confident. and the organizing team is really good and really supportive. So yeah, overall I think I've had a great experience.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hello guys, that was such an amazing performance. I loved it. The public is going crazy. How are you doing?
I'm really good, like kind of tired because it's so hot in Vancouver. We came all the way from Toronto to just do this festival and it's so hot. This weekend is so hot, but I think we are surviving. It's awesome. We feel so like wonderful being here.
So I must say welcome to Surrey. Yeah, how do you feel about the event?
It's so nice. It's so good that the community is getting together. I love seeing all these faces. The city's back to life and it feels like summer's finally here. And what a better way than to get together and do all these performances and enjoy. So it's good.
So were you guys nervous or excited about your performance?
I think in the first day, like yesterday, we were kind of nervous because we didn't have like a tech rehearsal properly. So with the stage and everyone, like it was like a bit nervous feeling. But today, I think we were like better and we like rocked the stage today. It was like a better feeling today, yeah.
And what do you have to say about this?
Yeah, super excited. It's the first time I'm launching my own company on stage. So this is an amazing platform. We had so much fun. A little nervous for sure, but it was amazing on stage.
Congratulations on your new company and you guys were phenomenal. Thank you so much. Welcome to Surrey and I hope you guys have a great time here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have a wonderful time.
Thank you. Hello, your performance was amazing.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot.
So how did you prepare for it?
So we're part of a group by Soumya. It's called Dil Se Dance. So we've been rehearsing quite like either like remotely. We have a bunch of videos that the choreographer sent us, Soumya, and we've been preparing like on our own. And on top of that, well, all of this month throughout June, during the weekends we'd meet and spend a couple of hours in the studios because we had two acts. We had the Bollywood act and this is the Lavani act. So according to our groups, we'd meet in the studio and like rehearse for a couple of hours. Yeah.
So which act did you enjoy the most?
The Lavani, because I personally enjoy Lavani act a lot because I'm a Maharashtrian and the Marathi nuance that our team brought into it is exemplary and that's why the audience is enjoying so much. Preparing for it was an amazing experience because we have practiced day and night and all thanks to our lead choreographer Soumya and Simran. So it's an amazing event. It's an amazing platform for all of us to show our tradition and culture, that too in a country like Canada. So we are really, really happy that we are getting to perform here. Yeah.
It was really great and I must say that your choreographer did an amazing job and you guys did as well. So what was the best part of this event for you?
I think it's so nice to see such a diaspora of Indian culture because I think like, you know, just seeing our community come together from all different parts of India and not just India, like other Desi people as well are coming for this event, coming together to celebrate food, music, dance. It's just such a nice positive feeling and it's also a nice, like, you know, these are sunny, it's a sunny weekend, so it's like a nice way to spend time with your friends, family, and also as performers, our friends and family are coming to watch us, so it's a very heartwarming feeling. Yeah.
Thank you so much. मैं अपने सारे व्यूअर्स तो माफ़ी मंगना चाहांगी कि इन्ना स्वाद खाना ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾ ਕੇ इन्ना फन एंड एंटरटेनमेंट दिखा के जे मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ थोड़ा जो जेलस फील कराया होवे दैट्स ओके ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ एक्सपीरियंस दोबारा ले सकते हो क्योंकि टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर तो सरी आऊगा सो thank you to all the team of Taste of India, the organizers, the city government for bringing such a vibrant and thrilling experience for us. Thank you so much. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cocktail Joe!